Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see simple tips on how to stop apps from draining your Android phone battery. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to come to the search right here, and what you need to do is to simply type in battery. I'm going to type in battery right here, and the next thing you want to do is to simply click on battery setting. It's going to take you right here. Now from this point right here, so you have 48 battery draining apps are detected. What you need to do to simply click on here and allow everything to scan, and it will show you all the apps that are draining your battery. So just like what you see right here, these are all apps that are draining your battery. What you need to do is to simply scroll down and check them out all. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on optimize now. And it's as simple as that. Then you can also optimize this relevant power consumption. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn on right here. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to stop apps from draining your Android phone battery. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.